Hi everyone, welcome to another CISSP session. In this session, we will discuss different type of fire extinguisher and as well as different type of classes. So before discussing every single class, let me tell you one mnemonic. So mnemonic would be, let me write it down here, stop, big, greedy, greedy machines. Machines exploding. Okay, so for instance, class A for those things like solid things like wood, plastic, paper. If that stuff burns, how which fire extinguisher we can use? For this particular stuff, class A, powder, foam, and water can be used, right? So it's always important to know which fire extinguisher can be used if there is fire on uh, on the on these things, which are, for instance, if we talk about class A, the solid products, wood, plastic, and paper, right? So if uh, those stuff fire up, then we need to use these fire extinguisher. And for appropriate fire extinguisher is very important. Otherwise, uh, we could create bigger issue if we use the wrong fire extinguisher, right? So stop means solid. So just this is a mnemonic for the exam. How you can remember stop, big greedy machines exploding. So um, this sentence might help you to remember about all these things along with the classes and also fire extinguisher. So if we talk about class B, it is for boiling and burning stuff, right? Burning liquids like fuels, paint, so flammable or burning, let's say, or boiling, we would say. So in this, for this we can use uh, powder, foam, and CO2, right? The next would be class C, is gases, right? Could be different gases, LPG, butane. So these gases uh, covers these gases are under class C, and those can for those we can use uh, powder fire extinguisher. This one, right? The class D is metals, lithium, magnesium. So batteries, right? Uh, where I think lithium is used, right? So anything which is lithium or magnesium, only this fire extinguisher is can be used as powder, right? Electrical stuff, computers, servers, data centers, where we have electrical stuff, we can only use powder and CO2, right? And cooking oils, we may use wet chemicals, right? So this is how we need to remember it. For data center and offices, always remember that no water or foam on electrical fires. Use CO2 or powder instead. and um, because uh, as I said, wrong fire extinguisher could lead to a big mess, as we discussed. For electrical thing, foam water is not recommended because it can cause big problem. Water highly dangerous as it conducts electricity and can make the fire worse, right? So appropriate fire extinguisher is very important. I hope this video will help you to understand about fire extinguisher and as well as the class types, and this image might help you to visualize the types of classes and fire extinguisher. Thank you so much for watching this video. Any comment, question, please share in the comment section.